Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDELT, a professional learning project by Propel. In this segment of Tech Tuesdays, we will look at tabs in Google Docs and using some of the automatic building blocks that are suggested when adding new tabs. Consider tabs as putting several documents into one place. Tabs allow several pages of information and contents to be added to one document without having to open several different documents at one time and trying to navigate through different pages at once. Let's get started. One of the first things that we want to look at when we are creating tabs is to rename or reassign the tab name. To do this, go to the Menus option and click on Rename. You can rename this to anything and add any specific modifications that you would like to make it more reader-friendly for you. Then add the plus button to add a new tab. This looks like it creates a new page, and any of the existing materials that you have just goes to the second tab that has been previously existed. From here, you can rename, you can duplicate the page, you can do a lot of other things, including moving the information so that way it exists where you need it to be. Additionally, if you realize that your information needs to be with the previous information, you can merge it so that way you're not having to copy and paste a lot of information back and forth. Additionally, if your current page needs a sub-page, for example, on this page, we need maybe a team members page that doesn't need to be with our full content, we just need it as a sub-content. I can make a sub-tab page, which will allow me to do that, and it gives me access so that way it's not all cluttered onto one document page. Let's take a look at some of the building blocks that come up when you are looking at a new document. Now, building blocks are to help guide you to building a document that is workable for your needs. There are several different options, so these are just kind of get you started. If you click on the templates, these will give you templates to documents. This would be like opening a new Google Doc, so that way you can scroll and look at all the template options that it gives you. One of the second building blocks on here is the meeting notes. And if you just hover over it, it gives you an idea of what that looks like, including a place for a date, calendar event, attendees, and the detailed notes information. The email draft, the task tracker, the calendar event draft, and more. There are so many different tab options here that help to start your document. If you click on the More button, you can hover and see the several different options that there are for building blocks. Again, these are to help guide you so that way you don't have to build a document from scratch. You have these options to help guide and build a document for easier use.